Right, in this two-part video, I'm going to be talking about self-massage for the feet. As a runner myself, I spend a lot of time putting stress through both feet, and it's important to look after it. I love a good foot massage, and sometimes I just want to have a quick release on tensions of the muscles so that I can perform better on my next run. But this doesn't have to be for runners, it could be for anybody who spends a lot of time on the feet. The first part would be anatomy, basic anatomy of the muscles, where it lies on the foot. Second part would be some self-massage technique you can use. So yeah, let's go ahead and explore. Right, so we're going to be looking at, first of all, the superficial of the plantar side of the foot, the base of the foot. It is important to know where the main muscle lies and where they are insert into, because it's going to impact on how we're going to massage our foot. So first of all, we're going to start off with the calcaneus, which is being drawn by the circle here, the heel bone, because that's the bone landmark to which where all the muscles insert an origin from. So from here, you have the first muscle we have is called the flexor digitorum brevis. This starts from the calcaneus and then inserts into the second and into the fifth toe via individual tendons. So that is being drawn with a red pen here. Then we're going to be looking at the abductor hallucis, which is the muscle that runs on the inside of the arch of the foot. So it starts from the calcaneus, runs to the inside of the arches of the foot, and then goes into a tendon attachment onto this side of the big toe, the medial side of the big toe. And then on the other side, it's called the abductor digiti minimum. So similar to the abductor hallucis, it runs on the outside of the foot and inserts onto the lateral side of the little toe. And then we're going to work inside medially now, and then we have the flexor hallucis brevis, which is the one that runs along the side of the ball of the foot, and in between there is a tendon there that attaches into the big toe. So that is the flexor hallucis brevis. And then on the other side, with the blue pen here, is the flexor digiti minimum brevis. So they're the same thing on the other side and goes into the big toe. And then in between, you have the adductor hallucis. So these are the superficial muscles of the plantar side of the foot.